If you want to use Circle to Search on a Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, all you have to do is you need to press and hold your finger on the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen if you use gestures for navigation, or you can use the home button. You can press and hold your finger on the home button if you use 3-button navigation. So if you hold your finger for like a second or two, then you should be able to activate Circle to Search, but in case it doesn't work, you will have to go to Settings, then over here open the gestures, and then we need to choose System Navigation, and then make sure that Circle to Search is enabled in here. So if you hold your finger for like a second or two, you will activate this Google Circle to Search overlay, and then you can draw a shape around something that you want to search for using the Google search engine. And of course, we use the selected area as a reference, so pretty much we search by using an image. You can still adjust the area by grabbing by the corners, just like that. And then you should be able to get Google search results. And we might see some AI overview, maybe we can look for exact matches or visual matches, and so on and so forth. You can also swipe up in order to fully open this section. Besides that, instead of drawing a shape, you can just simply tap on anything on the screen, and then you might be able to use that selected area immediately as a reference. And there we go, pretty simple. But besides that, Circle to Search also has a couple of additional options, like for example at the bottom here we have this music note, which is the song search feature. Essentially, if you hear a song somewhere in the background which you would like to know, I mean if you want to know the title of that song, then you can use this option, and hopefully Google's Circle to Search can pick it up. It might recognize the song, and then you will get the Google search result with the song title. And also another thing that we can do is we can use the screen translation. So if you tap on this translate button over here, then we have the detected language of the screen. Of course, we can change it in case it has been incorrectly detected. And then you also choose the target language, so the language that should be the text translated to, or the screen actually. And then of course you should be able to translate, for example, a page, an app, anything that is in a foreign language. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.